Hi everyone, my name is Paloma Gonzalez-Rojas. I did a master's and a PhD in machine learning, developing artificial intelligence applications for the design and computation group. I also did a postdoc in chemical engineering. My startup is called Atacama Biomaterials. I developed it during my PhD. We develop plastic replacements from diverse local raw materials, and we optimize the cost, the performance, and the impact with machine learning. While I was doing my master's and PhD, I did several MISTI programs. The deepest impact in my work was that MISTI funded a workshop that I did in the Atacama Desert here in Chile. This was the time when I realized that I wanted to work in materials. I am highly mission driven, and if I could choose anything in the world, I will still choose to do technology that can have a direct impact in people's lives. So this is why also I funded my company Atacama Biomaterials. And I still do world-class technology, but the direction of that technology changes because of MISTI.